Hello there, it's Sunday and today was the day to hear once again from the Prime Minister who addressed the country on Mann-ki-Baat, thanking the people of the country for the spirit that they've been showing, thanking those who've been going out of their way to help the less privileged and thanking all the corona warriors. But also some specific messages from the Prime Minister to the people of the country saying you must wear a mask, do wear a mask at all times, keep on trying to help those who are less fortunate, think about old traditions like Ayurveda and others to try and get immunity. And yeah, by the way, don't spit in public spaces. Meanwhile, of course, the opposition though has also been talking to the government and saying you really do need to think about an economic package and think about it really fast, with Sonia Gandhi writing a letter about the need to support MSMEs and other messages also coming from members of the opposition. Let's quickly take you through all the major developments of the day.
Urging citizens to adapt to wearing masks as part of a new way of life, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his radio address Mann-ki-Baat said wearing a mask has to become a part of our daily lives. Lauding citizens, Prime Minister said our Tali, Thali and Diya initiatives have kept spirits high.
मास्क को लेकर भी धारणा अब बदलने वाली ही है। आप देखिएगा, मास्क अब सभ्य समाज का प्रतीक बन जाएगा। अगर बीमारी से खुद को बचना है और दूसरों को भी बचाना है तो आपको मास्क लगाना पड़ेगा। और मेरा तो सिंपल सुझाव रहता है, गमछा मुंह ढकना है। साथियों, हमारे समाज में एक और बड़ी जागरूकता ये आई है कि अब सभी लोग ये समझ रहे हैं कि सार्वजनिक स्थानों पर थूकने के क्या नुकसान हो सकते हैं। यहाँ वहाँ कहीं पर भी थूक देना गलत आदतों का हिस्सा बना हुआ था। ये स्वच्छता और स्वास्थ्य को गंभीर चुनौती भी देता था। वैसे एक तरह से देखें तो हम हमेशा से ही इस समस्या को जानते रहे, लेकिन ये समस्या समाज से समाप्त होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही थी। अब वो समय आ गया है कि इस बुरी आदत को हमेशा हमेशा के लिए खत्म कर दिया जाए।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who has been attacking the government over the plight of migrant workers, has now told the government that it has not been able to scale up its testing for Covid-19 due to bottlenecks. The former Congress president wrote in the tweet that the experts agree that mass random testing is the key to beating the deadly virus, but in India, a bottleneck is stopping from scaling testing from the current 40,000 per day to 1 lakh tests a day. He urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to act fast and clear the bottleneck.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in an address to residents, said his government will follow closely on what the centre does when it comes to the lockdown in the state. Kejriwal added that shops will be closed in containment zones, saying that the Home Ministry order does not apply to markets or market complexes. In some good news, meanwhile, he said the rate of infection and death has come down in Delhi this week and many more people have recovered from the disease.
The centre is planning to bring back Indian nationals stranded abroad once the May 3rd lockdown ends, top government sources have said. The government is reportedly in touch with all states to seek details of their citizens abroad and is likely to announce the final plan soon. The centre will reportedly tell states to arrange quarantine facilities for the citizens so that they don't mix with the locals. Authorities will map citizens to their respective states and flights will directly land there. Officials in the PMO have already spoken to some chief ministers for the arrangements and they've promised all help. Indian missions abroad are in touch with the government and local authorities for help in movement after May 3rd.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said that 80% coronavirus patients in the state are asymptomatic. Maharashtra currently has 7,628 cases, which is the highest in the country. Commenting on the road forward with regards to the lockdown, the Chief Minister said that the next 3 or 4 months are going to be very important and the virus must be destroyed completely. He urged the people to not hide if they have symptoms and get tested. Former Union Minister and controversial BJP MP Anant Kumar on Sunday said his Twitter account has been blocked and accused the microblogging site of taking an anti-India stand. The MP from Uttara Kannada has also written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi against the digital colonization by a corporate entity. Hegde in a Facebook post said he took offence against a Khalistan supporter and the hidden agenda of the Tablighi Jamaat movement within India. The MP shared the message he received from Twitter, where he was asked to delete the tweets that violate its rules. Twitter also said that if he felt it has made a mistake, he can appeal the violation. As the government plans to scale up COVID-19 testing to 1 lakh samples per day, a report by the Indian Express says that there are only 3 lakh RNA extraction kits left in the country. The RNA extraction kits are required to prepare samples for RT-PCR test, 1 kit per test. With over 38,000 samples being tested on an average daily, the existing stock is just enough to last about a week, a source told the newspaper. This comes at a time when rapid antibody tests have been suspended by the ICMR across the country following complaints of varying levels of accuracy.
According to a PTI report, doctors treating COVID-19 cases in Indore have shared that a more virulent strain may be wreaking havoc in the city, which has emerged as the coronavirus hotspot in Madhya Pradesh. Doctors say that samples from Indore, where COVID-19 has killed 57 people, will reportedly be sent to the Pune-based National Institute of Virology to confirm their apprehensions of the strain being deadlier than in other parts of the country. Other factors may also be responsible for the high death rate, they said, like late diagnosis or higher incidence of comorbidities.
The number of hospitalized COVID-19 patients in China's Wuhan on Sunday dropped to 0 for the first time, marking yet another milestone for the city, which was opened up on April 8 after a 76-day lockdown. It is believed that the virus first emerged in Wuhan before turning out to be a pandemic. China's National Health Commission said the result has been achieved with the hard efforts of the medical workers in Wuhan and those who were dispatched to assist the city in the fight against the virus from across the country.